The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2022 through 2024 Toyota Tundra short bed. This happens to be a TRD Pro model, but the same fitment will work on the non-TRD short bed models. So we've just installed the Retrax Pro XR retractable bed cover. This is the manually operated retractable cover. Pro signifying that is the aluminum slat, so the more heavy duty and robust cover. And the XR signifying that this has the slotted rails on the outer side of the cover. So those rails are very important for attaching other types of gear and accessories, racks and accessories. So like the Overhaul HD from Yakima is a great fit for this cover. So a really good, strong, robust cover. There's no drill into the truck bed for clamping the rack to it. There is some minor drilling for the drain tubes by the cab. So you already have pre-existing holes, but they do need to be enlarged to accommodate the drain tubes. If you use a cone step drill bit, that tends to work really, really well on these trucks. So the cover is, you can open it and actually stop it at any point along the rail. Again, this is a manually operated cover, so if you are going to do a more elaborate rack system with accessories on the sides, something that might prevent you from opening that handle and actually sliding it back with that handle open, you may consider the power model. So they've just launched the new EQ, which is really nice. It actually communicates with the truck, and instead of having a separate remote to operate it, you actually connect your key fob and operate it that way. But anyways, this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this cover, please click the link in the description below. And that's it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.